Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use a flower Judas pin. First, gather all your necessary hair accessories, including your beautiful flower Judas pin and any hair ties or pins you might need. Make sure your hair is clean, detangled, and ready for styling. Before you begin, decide on the specific bun or updo style you want to create for the perfect look. Now, let's create the foundation for your flower Judas pin. Start by gathering all your hair into a neat ponytail at your preferred height, whether high, mid-level, or low. Twist the ponytail tightly, coiling it around itself to form a compact and secure bun shape. Use a strong elastic band or several bobby pins to firmly secure this bun in place, ensuring it will hold throughout the day. With your bun perfectly in place, it's time to add the star of the show, your flower Judas pin. Carefully position the pin over the top or to one side of your bun, depending on your desired aesthetic. Gently but firmly insert the pin's prongs deeply into the bun, ensuring they catch enough hair to provide maximum stability. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it feels securely anchored and won't slip. To complete your elegant look, make any final adjustments. Gently smooth down any stray hairs around the bun or hairline for a polished finish. If desired, apply a light mist of hairspray from about 10 inches away to help set the style and keep everything in place for hours. Now, you're ready to enjoy your beautifully adorned hairstyle, perfect for any special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.